What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the hot rod garage. So I had went on Etsy and I ordered a custom 6-foot long black Mustang symbol decal to put on the blue accent wall back here. So I'm just gonna go over real quick how I'm gonna go about installing that, and we're gonna see how it looks. Obviously this is the before, just a giant blue accent wall, so I wanted something to break it up and give it some flair, so I had that custom decal ordered. So let's go over the process of installing it and see how it looks. All right, guys, so there you have it, the finished product. If anyone is wondering, yes, it is indeed centered with the wall. So the toolbox is not centered. The total back wall, I believe, is about 21 feet long. The decal is 6 feet in total length. So there is 7.5 feet on this side, 7.5 feet on this side, and then the 6 feet, making a total of 21. So the toolbox is not centered, but it's in the center of the two cars, making it accessible to get all the tools. So if it does look a little wonky because of the toolbox, it is in fact centered. So here you have it. This is the decals all up. I have one more to go up over there. I started hanging the grills. That's my original 69 grill, the 2012 grill, another old Ford sign, a couple other things around, and of course the big 6-foot SVT banner. So stay tuned. I'll be sure to put the other decal up soon, do another full video on the whole garage before and after. So hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think.